Good morning, students. Today, History, Unit 8, Nationalism, Gandhian Phase. Students, today I am going to complete this lesson. Listen here carefully. Cabinet Mission. In Britain, the elections were conducted. In this election, Labour Party won the election. Labour Party won the election. Clement Attlee became the Prime Minister. After Clement Attlee became the Prime Minister, he favored for India. He was a supporter of Indian independence. So, after becoming the Prime Minister, Clement Attlee started the Cabinet Mission. The Cabinet Mission, under the leadership of Pethick Lawrence, A.V. Alexander and Stafford Cripps. In the Cabinet Mission, the leadership were appointed by Clement Attlee, the Prime Minister. The leaders were Pethick Lawrence, Stafford Cripps, Sir Stafford Cripps and A.V. Alexander were the leaders of the Cabinet Mission appointed by Clement Attlee. And also, Clement Attlee rejected the demand of Pakistan. And also, Clement Attlee started the federal government in our country. Federal government. He was the supporter of India, already told you. When he became the Prime Minister, the provinces were divided into three. One is non-Muslim majority provinces, non-Muslim majority provinces, Muslim majority provinces, and northwest provinces and northeast provinces. He divided. Provinces were divided into three groups. One is non-Muslim majority provinces, Muslim majority provinces, and northwest provinces and northeast provinces. After that, in India, interim government were started. Interim government were started in India. Congress and the Muslim League accepted the plan, Cabinet Mission plan. Hindus and Muslims joined together and accepted the plan. Direct Action Day called by Muslim League. Direct Action Day called by Muslim League. There are lot of differences arose in Congress and the Muslim League. Muslims insisted they needed for a representative for Muslims, leaders for Muslims. There are conflicts arose in between Hindus and Muslims during that time. The separate electorate for the Muslims they demanded. But the conflict were arose in between Hindus and Muslims. Jinnah, the leader of Muslim, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the leader of the Muslims, declared that 16th August 1946 as Direct Action Day. he started the Direct Action Day, 1946, 16th August. In this day, the conflict arose in between Hindus and Muslims. Conflict arose in between Hindus and Muslims during that time. In many places in India, the revolt was going on. At that time, the Bengal was conflict arose in between Hindus and Muslims, and during that time, Nakoli was the worst affected the conflict in between Hindus and Muslims. Mountbatten Plan. During that period, according to the Mountbatten Plan, the interim government was started. The interim government leader was Nehru, headed by Nehru, formed in 1946 interim government. Muslims and Muslim leagues and the Hindus joined this Mountbatten Plan in October 1946. Lakwit Ali Khan was appointed as a finance minister, finance member. Because of Muslim League joined this Mountbatten Plan and they demanded for the representative. After that, the elections were conducted. In that election, Lakwit Ali Khan was appointed as a finance member. Both Hindus and Muslims were equal seats were allotted. Then February 1947, Clement Attlee transferred the power to India. By June 1948, that transferred the power. Clement Attlee, he was the supporter of India, already told you. Transferred the power to India by June 1948. Lord Mountbatten was the first viceroy of the independent India. 3rd June, Mountbatten Plan was announced. According to the Mountbatten Plan, dominion status of India was accepted, provided. Dominion status were provided to the Indians. Not only Indians, dominion status for Pakistan also provided. The India was divided into two. One is Indian provinces, another one is Pakistan provinces. India and Pakistan were divided, segregated during that time. Secondly, princely states were joined either India or Pakistan. And the boundary commission were appointed for look after the boundaries in India and Pakistan. And during that time, Punjab and Bengal Legislative Assembly, Punjab and Bengal in Legislative Assembly, votes were provided to the people of Punjab and Bengal to join both Hindus and Hindu and Muslim. They can join either join to the India or Pakistan. Independence and partition. Indian Independence Act was passed in 18th July 1947. In that day, abolish sovereignty of the British rule in our country. Abolish sovereignty of the British rule in India. Finally, India and Pakistan provided independence on 15th August 1947. Okay then, listen here carefully students. Once again, I am going to recall. Listen here carefully. Cabinet mission. In Britain, the election were conducted. The Labour Party was won the election. Clement Attlee became the Prime Minister. He was the supporter of Indian independence. Clement Attlee became the Prime Minister. He started the cabinet mission. Under the cabinet mission, the leaders were appointed by the Clement Attlee. The leaders were Petty Clarence, A.V. Alexander and Sir Stafford Cripps. He rejected the demand of Pakistan. Then the federal government was started by the Clement Attlee. Clement Attlee started the federal government. The provinces were divided into 3 groups. One is non-Muslim provinces, non-Muslim majority provinces. Secondly, Muslim majority provinces. And then north-west provinces and the north-east provinces. Clement Attlee, the supporter of India, he started the interim government. Interim government was started. The Congress and the Muslim League accepted the cabinet mission. Then direct action day called by Muslim League. There are a lot of difference arose Muslims and Hindus. Particularly the Congress and the Muslims. A lot of conflict arose during that time. They insisted, the Muslims insisted, the separate representative for the Muslims. Jinnah, the leader of the Muslim party, declared 16th August 1946 as a direct action day. He announced, according to Jinnah, during the time of direct action day, Hindus and Muslim conflict were arose during that time. In Bengal, lot of problems were arose in between Hindus and Muslims, Congress and Muslims. There are a lot of worst affected during that time. And also, Nakoli was the worst affected in between the Hindus and Muslims, Congress and the Muslims. Mountbatten Plan. According to the Mountbatten Plan, the interim government was started in India. Nehru was the leader of the interim government in 1946. Muslim League also initially hesitated by the Muslim League. After that, Muslim League also joined to the interim government in October 1946. Liaquat Ali Khan was the finance member of the interim government. Finance member, Liaquat Ali Khan. He belonged to Muslim. In February 1947, during that time, Liaquat Ali Khan, finance member, were appointed. The Clement Attlee transferred the power by June 1948 to India. Lord Mountbatten was the first viceroy of independent India. 3rd June, Mountbatten Plan were announced. According to the Mountbatten Plan, the dominion status were provided both India and Pakistan. Secondly, the princely states were divided both India and Pakistan. Princely states were divided. And the boundary commission were appointed for look after the boundaries, both India and Pakistan. Punjab and Bengal were the legislative assembly. In the legislative assembly, Punjab and Bengal were the power were provided to the vote for join both India and Pakistan. The segregation were made in Punjab and Bengal. Independence and partition. In Indian Independence Act were passed in 18th July 1947. Indian Independence Act were passed. According to the Indian Independence Act, in India, abolished the sovereignty of the British rule in our country. Before that, British only ruled over our country. In the Indian Independence Act of 1947, abolished the sovereignty. Sovereignty means freedom of Britain was abolished. India and Pakistan were divided. Before that, India only look after Pakistan, also comprising the India. After 1947, India and Pakistan were divided. On 15th August 1947, India got independence. Okay then, students, this lesson completed. Tomorrow I am going to see with new lesson. Okay then, see you.